So look, I haven't done this before on the channel. It's what some people like doing, and I don't do it, but I do actually like it. Maybe I'll start doing it more often. But let's see that, I've just put black ink over it. And with that black ink, you can very easily just put a very fine line on there that you can see clearly. And I'm thinking now, I just said a lot of people like using this black ink. I'm thinking, and I don't usually do it, but I'm thinking that might easily rub off just from handling it. I might lose those lines, I might have to keep reapplying them. But once the ink's rubbed off, you're just sort of back to what I would normally do, is just score it into the metal. And what I usually say is, if you use a like paper disc, they're quite good because it's sort of a not unidirectional kind of lines on there. So it doesn't matter what direction you're scoring, if you're going over the surface left behind by spinning paper disc, you can always see it. Otherwise, just get a fine buff stick. Say I want the lines going that way, I buff that way, and then that way, when I use my dividers, I can see the line clearly. I think that's a bit more, the lines you're putting on the metal like that, like I normally do, is a bit more hard wearing. Thinking about it now, with these, seeing these lines on the ink. But anyway, let's see how it lasts. Might be alright. Just looks faded already to me now, that's why I'm thinking of that.